In this video, we're tackling another misplaced modifier question from the ACT. Here's the sentence. The celebrity, dressed in a tuxedo, was picked up by the limousine for the red carpet event. Let's break it down. At first glance, nothing seems wrong. But if this were underlined on the ACT, and you didn't know why, it could be a misplaced modifier. Let's identify the modifier first. Dressed in a tuxedo is a descriptive phrase. So we ask, who or what was dressed in a tuxedo? You might say, the celebrity, and that would make perfect sense. But because of the sentence structure, there's a potential for confusion. Right now, the modifying phrase is placed right next to the celebrity, so it seems okay. But let's look closer. What if the sentence read, dressed in a tuxedo, the limousine picked up the celebrity for the red carpet event? Now we have a problem. It sounds like the limousine is wearing the tuxedo. This kind of confusion is what the ACT wants to test. So back to our original sentence. The celebrity, dressed in a tuxedo, was picked up by the limousine for the red carpet event. Here, the modifying phrase dressed in a tuxedo is correctly placed next to the celebrity. That means the original sentence is actually correct. So what's the takeaway? Anytime you see a descriptive phrase like this, make sure it's right next to the thing it's describing. If it's not, you've found a misplaced modifier. And just like that, you're one step closer to mastering this type of question on the ACT. Ready to crush the ACT? Achievable includes everything you need to get a top score. With Achievable, you get a personalized AI-driven study plan, short, engaging lessons, and realistic practice questions that adapt to your progress. It's everything you need, streamlined, effective, and adapts to your needs. Tens of thousands of people have trusted Achievable to boost their scores, and now it's your turn. Start your free trial today at achievable.me. Follow the link below in the description to get started.